Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can fix troubleshooting syncing issue in Microsoft PowerPoint. So syncing won't work without a stable connection. Open up your control center and make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. If Wi-Fi is off, turn it back on. If possible, switch to a different network and test again. After that, you have to make sure you're signed in. Open up Microsoft PowerPoint app. Microsoft PowerPoint only sync file when you're logged in to your Microsoft account. Inside here, tap on this little icon, then tap on Sign In. Log in using the same Microsoft account you used before and make sure OneDrive is connected. Syncing depends on it. If you're logged into a wrong account, your files won't show up. After that, update your PowerPoint to the latest version. Sync issue often happens because the app is outdated. If you're on Windows, simply open up the Microsoft Store, search for PowerPoint, and then tap on Update if available. If you're on Mac, open the App Store and repeat the same process. Always keep your Office app updated for best syncing performance. And after you do that, simply restart your device. A simple restart refreshes background services and after fixes syncing immediately. That's it. Checking your internet, signing in properly, and updating the app usually fixes syncing issue in PowerPoint. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.